All right, Todd's back full look at the forecast, and things have been looking pretty nice here. We're on quite a run.
Yes, a few days in a row of this. Looks like we'll make it a trifecta. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. You like that, Goldie? Trifecta. It's pretty good.
I love the trifecta.
Yes.
Especially
trifecta.
when I hit the trifecta.
I don't think
It's
I've
my
ever
favorite
actually
trifecta.
hit a trifecta. My wife hit an exacta last week when we were in Lake George.
I gave you the magic number when you were down there.
You did, and it was a loser.
I came in fourth.
8,
Yeah.
yes,
Came in
fourth. Just out of the money. Classic. Alrighty, here are the temperatures out there this morning. We've got some lower 50s. It's very comfortable still. Not quite as chilly as yesterday morning. In fact, as I look closely here, the only area that's in the 40s right now up in the Allagash along the Canadian border, Escort Station border crossing. Elsewhere, we've got 50s like in Bangor and in Orono. Dew points are starting to creep up. They're still quite comfortable, still quite refreshing, but by the end of the day, they'll be closer to 60, which is starting to get a little sticky, and there's more of that to come too. Down across the south in the mid-Atlantic, our air mass here is very sticky, very humid. As Fred is now moving on inland, it's weakening right now, but it's still going to produce a lot of rain. And some of that moisture will sneak up the eastern seaboard, and we'll get some showers from it later this week. Clear, comfortably cool out early on. And yes, once again, there's some patchy fog over some of the rivers and some of the lakes and ponds. That'll burn off very fast like it did yesterday. Midday looks great. Gorgeous weather, mostly sunny. Dry and pleasantly warm, 70s and low 80s, but it feels fine because the humidity is still in check. The afternoon, high clouds will begin to work in. For some, they'll be so thick that you probably won't see a ton of sunshine through them, and therefore not much of a great sunset. But parts of the state, especially central, eastern, and northern Maine, you're going to see a gorgeous sunset with great colors, probably similar to our sunrise this morning too, bookending the day with some great color. We're also going to have more of an ocean breeze this afternoon. It'll be a little stronger than yesterday, and that'll add the humidity to the air, so that starts to creep up in the afternoon. The highs still up there in the upper 70s for the south coast, mid 70s, mid and down east. Lower 80s inland. Bangor hits 82, our capital 81, Lewiston 80. I think the warmest spot in the state actually will be somewhere up in here, the Central Highlands and perhaps even Aroostook County. Caribou and Presque Isle, you're going to be in the mid 80s today. That's quite warm for you, but again, low humidity, not bad. Now tomorrow and for Thursday, we're going to have a stationary front sort of bisecting the state and working into the northeast. It'll be the focus for some isolated showers. I don't see much in the way of wet weather. It'll start tonight, tomorrow, and Thursday. There will be some sun in between, so we actually still have a couple of good days. And then we've got to watch the remnants of Fred, which again is that tropical storm making landfall right now. Fred looks like it'll throw a little rain at us on Friday morning. That exits for the weekend, but a backdoor front comes down from Canada and likely cools us off quite a bit. We'll be in the 80s Wednesday through Friday, but back into the lower and mid 70s for Saturday and Sunday, so it chills down a tad. Marine forecast sees 1 to 3 feet, south winds 5 to 10 knots. Once again, a very nice day on the water, although that south wind will be picking up in the afternoon. Good for sailboats, not so much for the motor ones. 82, mostly sunny today, 80 tomorrow with an isolated shower, and again, another isolated shower possible on Thursday. That's as the humidity creeps up. Then we got to watch the remnants of Fred for Friday. Could have some little bit of rain there on Friday morning. Over the weekend, not much rain at all. We'll be in the 70s though, definitely cooler with partly sunny skies Saturday and maybe some more showers to finish up the weekend on Sunday, Lee.
Very doable.
Not too bad.
Very doable. All right, thank you, sir.